Hello all, welcome to my channel Easy Tulu Learn Tulu Language Online. In the last lesson we have learned interrogative and indefinite pronouns in Tulu. Today we are going to learn potential mood in Tulu. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also please like and share this video if you liked it. Potential mood is used to express ability, permission, obligation, expectation, or necessity of an action. Examples: he should come, you may go, he can write, etc. We are going to learn these types of sentences in Tulu now. In Tulu, potential mood is formed by using the following modal verbs or suffixes. First one is suffix odu. Second one, modal verb bodchi. Third one, suffix oli. Fourth one, modal verb balli. Fifth one, modal verb tIruni or Apini. Let us look at these suffixes one by one. The first one is odu. This suffix is used to express obligations, expectation, or necessity. The suffix odu is derived from the modal verb bodu, which means want or need. This suffix is directly added to the root verb. Examples: baru means come. Baru plus odu, barodu, means should come or must come or need come. Tinu means eat. Tinu plus odu, tinodu, should eat or must eat. Malpu means do. Malpu plus odu, malpodu, should do or must do. Malpa means cause to do. Malpa plus odu, malpavadu, should have someone do, must have someone do. Maltanu, do oneself. Maltanu plus odu, maltanodu, should do oneself, must do oneself. Let us see now few sentences using this form. Eeru kandita barodu, you must come. Ee bega jeppodu, you should sleep early. I ella barodu, he should come tomorrow. Mata janakulu okkattavadu, all people need to unite. Ee ori doctor avadu, you should become a doctor. Yan povada, should I go? Yan povada barcha, should I go or not? Yandada malpodu, what should I do? Suru nama illade povadu, we need to go home first. Yan ella kanda enmagantege shaledu uppodu, inka pariksha undu. I must be at school tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. I have an exam. Okay, now second one is bodchi. This is a modal verb which means don't want or don't need. This is used to express suggestion or necessity. Modal verb bodchi is directly added to present gerunds. For example, po means go. Popini is the present gerund. Popini plus bodchi, popina bodchi, should not go or must not go or need not go. In the same way, panpini plus bodchi, panpina bodchi, should not tell, must not tell. Malpuni plus bodchi, malpuna bodchi, should not do, must not do. Let us see few example sentences. Akkulu ella barpina bodchi, they should not come tomorrow. Ee ini ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಪೋಪಿನ ಬರ್ಚಿ, you don't have to go to school today. ಆರು ದಾಲ ಬೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಪನ ಬರ್ಚಿ, ಯಾನ್ ಮಲ್ಪುವೆ. He or she did not do any work, I will do. ಯಾನ್ ಪೋಪಿನ ಬರ್ಚ, shouldn't I go? ನಮ್ಮ ಲಡೈ ಮಲ್ಪನ ಬರ್ಚಿ, we should not fight. I ಉಲೈ ಬರ್ಪಿನ ಬರ್ಚಿ, ಬಿದೈ ಕಾಪಾಡ್. He must not come inside, let him wait outside. Okay, third one is the suffix oli. This suffix is used to express permission. This is directly added to the root verb. For example, baru plus oli, baroli means may come or can come or permitted to come. Ra plus oli, ravali, may fly. Jeppu plus oli, jippoli, may sleep. Malpu plus oli, malpoli, may do. In English, may is also used to express probability. But in Tulu, we have uncertain future tense to express probability. We have learned this in the lesson 7. So the suffix oli is only used to express permission in Tulu, and it's not used to express probability. For example, I ella baruve, he may come tomorrow, or he will probably come tomorrow. So this is in uncertain future tense, which is used to express probability. I ella baroli, he may or can come tomorrow. So this form is used to express permission. Let us see few other sentences using the suffix oli. E ittepo oli, you may go now. Ir ini rajadetanoli, you may take leave today. Yan ulai baroliye, may I come in? Yan innottuku baroliya, may I come with you? Enku onji saya malpoliye, can you do me a favor? Varogara illade povali, can go home once a week. Okay, fourth one is the modal verb balli, which means impossible or should not. This is used to express permission or necessity. This is directly added to infinitives. For example, po means go. Poyara is the infinitive form. Poyara plus balli, poyara balli, may not go or should not go or not permitted to go. In the same way, tindra plus balli, tindra balli, may not eat or should not eat. Kullare plus balli, kullare balli, may not sit or should not sit. Malpere plus balli, malpere balli, may not do or should not do. Let us now see few example sentences. I barra balli, he may not come or he should not come. Iru anasu malpande poyara balli, you may not leave without having the lunch. Yanu ulai barra balliya, am I not allowed to come in? Nama sopere balli, kudora prayatna barudu. We should not lose, we should try again. Sullu pandra balli, should not tell a lie. Bulipere balli, should not cry. Okay, fifth one is tIruni or Apini. These are verbs. tIruni means be able or be finished. Apini means become. These are used as modal verbs with infinitives to express ability. The third person neuter form of the verbs tIruni and Apini are used with infinitives in all the tenses. First, let us see examples in present tense. Poyare plus tIrundu or poyare plus apundu. Poyare tIrundu or poyare apundu means can go or be able to go. Malpere tIrundu, can do. Rayare apundu, can fly. Nadapara tIruji, cannot walk. Untere apuji, cannot stand. Now let us see examples in uncertain future tense. Poyare tiru or poyare au means will be able to go or may be able to go. Tindra avandu, will not be able to eat, may not be able to eat. Bulipere tirandu, will not be able to cry. Now examples in past tense. Poyare tirandu or poyare aandu, could go or was able to go. Balipere aandu, could run or was able to run. Nadapare tiriji, could not walk. 'ಬರೆಯರೆ ಆಯಿಜಿ could not write. Now let us see few sentences. Ink neendara aapundu. I can swim. Aig nadapara tiruji. He can't walk. Nikku kudurerdu bisa balipara tirundu. You are able to run faster than a horse. Enkligu ella barra avandu. We will not be able to come tomorrow, or we may not be able to come tomorrow. Namakku ee bela malpara tiruva. Will we be able to do this work? Akligu koda patere aiji. They could not speak yesterday. Nikku kanda bega lakkara anda. Were you able to get up early in the morning? Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next video, we will learn adjective pronouns in Tulu.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.